Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make caramel donut. Preheat oven or set up fryer and gather ingredients: flour, sugar, butter, eggs, milk, and caramel. I will walk you through mixing a tender dough, proofing or resting it, shaping into rings, and cooking to golden perfection. Then we will finish with a quick caramel sauce and dipping technique so each donut gets a glossy, sticky finish you can't resist. Start by combining wet ingredients, then add dry ones for even mixing and avoid overworking the dough. I recommend a gentle knead until the dough springs back when pressed, then let it rest until slightly puffy. For baked donuts, press into a pan. For fried, roll and cut rings about 1/2 inch thick. This approach keeps texture light while ensuring the caramel clings to the surface beautifully. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to support more recipes and tips. Quick recommendation: a book called The Simple Path to Wealth is an easy read that can change how you plan spending, saving, and renting kitchen tools for baking. It's a fun companion if you love simple, practical advice. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Make caramel by melting sugar until amber, then whisk in butter and cream off heat for a silky sauce. If it thickens too much, stir in a touch of milk to loosen it to a glaze consistency. Dip the warm donuts just enough to coat without soaking, and place on a rack to set so the caramel firms slightly. Serve within a few hours for the best texture and shine.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.